Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you the best product reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best canned chicken option on the market. Swanson White Premium Chunk Canned Chicken Breast in Water, available in a convenient 24-pack. If you've been looking for a quick, high-quality protein source, this is the perfect addition to your pantry. This canned chicken brings all the benefits of a fully cooked, premium white meat chicken right to your kitchen. Whether you're making a salad, a chicken sandwich, or any other dish that calls for chicken, this canned option gives you the flexibility to create tasty meals without any hassle. The chicken is 98% fat-free and gluten-free, making it a healthy choice that doesn't compromise on flavor. Let's talk about what's inside. Each can is packed with chunks of white chicken breast in water, with just a small amount of salt, modified food starch, and rice starch for texture. There's no added MSG or antibiotics, so you can feel good about the ingredients. With 15 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving, it's also a great way to meet your daily protein needs in a convenient and quick way. The 12.5-ounce cans are just the right size, and each pack contains 6 cans, making it easy to stock up for the week. You'll have plenty of options for quick meals, from simple chicken salads to buffalo chicken dips, chicken quesadillas, and more. Swanson is known for its simple, high-quality ingredients, and this canned chicken is no exception. It's ready to eat right out of the can, so you can easily add it to any recipe that calls for cooked chicken. One of the biggest benefits of this product is the versatility it offers. Whether you're cooking for one, meal prepping for the week, or need to throw together a quick family dinner, you can rely on Swanson White Premium Chunk Canned Chicken to save you time without sacrificing quality. Plus, it's an excellent source of protein, with each serving providing a solid amount to fuel your day. Swanson's canned chicken has made its mark as a pantry staple for many households. It's one of those items you'll reach for when you need something quick and nutritious. It's affordable, shelf-stable, and so easy to use in countless recipes. So, if you're looking for the best canned chicken to keep on hand, this is the one to consider. That's it for today's review of Swanson White Premium Chunk Canned Chicken Breast in Water. If you're ready to stock up on this high-quality, easy-to-use canned chicken, be sure to check out the 24-pack option. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review from Product Critique. Thanks for watching.